Ninja Foodi Air Fry Oven won't turn on? Try these 5 fixes. If your oven isn't powering on at all, not even a beep or light, try these 5 quick checks before assuming it's broken. Step 1. Lower the oven into cooking position. This oven won't power on while it's upright in storage mode. Grip the handle and lower it down until it clicks into place. The control panel won't respond unless the oven is fully horizontal. Step 2. Plug directly into the wall. Make sure the power cord is firmly inserted into a working wall socket. Do not use extension cords or power strips. They can block startup or trip the internal safety. If your wall plug is too tight on space, I've linked the low-profile surge protector I use below, perfect for countertop appliances. Step 3. Try another socket. Unplug the oven and move it to a different outlet, ideally in another room. This quickly rules out a tripped breaker or faulty plug. If it suddenly works, your original outlet may need to be reset. Step 4. Insert the crumb tray. The oven may stay inactive if the crumb tray is missing or out of place. Make sure it's fully pushed into the bottom slot under the heating element. Otherwise, the unit may think it's not safe to start. Step 5. Power and wake buttons. Tap the power button firmly once. If nothing happens, press and hold it for 2 seconds. Still nothing? Hold the start-pause button for 3 seconds. This resets the interface and wakes the unit from sleep mode. If none of these steps bring it back, there may be a hardware fault. Contact Ninja support directly using the link in the description. If this helped you get your oven to power on again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a compact wall plug that actually fits behind your kitchen gear, I've linked the one I use below. Keeps cords tidy without losing power. Thanks for watching, and drop it down before you power up.